Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to run Crystal's resume analysis. So this report will generate a personality profile from someone's resume. So how you're going to do it is you navigate to Crystal's website, log in, go to the reports page on the menu, scroll down to improving communication section, and you'll see the resume analysis. So you can either hit build report or you can just click on this bar. This pop-up will come up and you'll enter the name, last name, and email address of the person that you're analyzing. Now, caveat here, we will not email this person that you're creating a personality profile for them, so don't worry about that. This is just purely so that you can recall this information from Crystal however you'd like, either by searching their name or searching their email address. So once you enter that information, you just drag and drop your PDF of the resume here, or you can select a file and you'll find it on your computer that way. When you have that uploaded, you can hit Create Resume Analysis, and Crystal will generate a personality profile from that resume and show you what the personality information is for that person. Thanks, and have a great day.